Hello, good afternoon. So I am Angelo S. Villanueva and I am from the Philippines. So my task is to record a video, 2-minute video actually, on how to apply differentiated instruction in our math class. So definitely, if I'll be doing a differentiated activity for my student in my class, definitely I will start assessing their learning styles or the multiple intelligences. And with that, I will apply the concept of differentiated instruction with the multiple intelligences of my students. Say for example, I have a lesson in mathematics that is focused on probability. So therefore, as we all know, we have 8 multiple intelligences by Howard Gardner. So as of now, I'll be using that 8. So for the first task is that for the linguistic. So I'll be making my students group into their multiple intelligences. So definitely, I'll be grouping them based on their intelligences. Say for example, for the first group, on the linguistic group. So that will be focused on the activity that is word and, wherein they have to pick at least 4-letter words found in the word permutation. Whereas in the other multiple intelligence, we have intrapersonal. So my task for them is to become independent learner. So their task is for the mission possible, wherein the situation, they have to determine the distinguishable and permutations that are possible with all the letters of the word ellipsis. For the visual spatial, so I have to make them the role of as a dress shop owner. So their activity is to go to a party. So a close friend invited Anna to her birthday party. So Anna has 4 new blouses. They are stripes with ruffles, long-sleeved and sleeveless. And 3 skirts, red, pink, and black. So in her closet, so they have to reserve for such occasion. So their task is to assume that any skirt can be paired with any blouse. In how many ways can Anna select her outfit? So they have to list the possible outfit. So for the bodily kinesthetic learners, so they will be a demonstrator. So they have to simulate what is there in their task. So they have to demonstrate the number of ways that the learner can the letter A, B, C, D can be arranged. So they have to show the number of ways that can be arranged in the letter A, B, C, D using the member of the groups as the letter. So they have to act as the letter. So each of them can be assigned A, B, C, and D. And then they have to perform it in physical activity. So that's bodily kinesthetic. And then for the logical math, so that would be a code breaker task. They have to solve problems involving permutations. And there you go, that's the concept of problem solving, and the task that they have to do is to break the code. So a code must consist of 3 letters followed by 2 numbers. And that's for the logical math. And for the naturalist, so they have to arrange 4 colored potted plants in a row in the math garden. So it's expected that the students here in the naturalist are the plant arrangers. So in how many ways can teacher can arrange 4 colored potted plants in a row in the math garden? So that would be the application of what is in their environment. So for the musical learners, they have to arrange the member of the choir to produce a perfect combination of sounds. So wherein the learner will serve as the choir master. So that would be focused on the competencies that they have to follow, and that's for the probability. So in how many ways can teacher Odette arrange 2 sopranos and 3 tenors in a row, wherein their target is to produce a perfect combination of sounds? And last, for the interpersonal, so they have to be a bank officer. So influence the members of the group on how they can arrange 5038 as their pin. So that would be the pin code 5038 using fundamental counting principle. So that would be the ATM code. So the learner must choose a new 4-digit ATM pin number from the number 5, 0, 3, and 8. So they have to appreciate in a 4-digit number, there are several ways that can be arranged. Well, I guess that's how we can do differentiated instruction using the multiple intelligences in my classroom. So what about you? What's yours? Thank you so much.